Hello, good day everyone. Today we'll learn about adjectives. So first, papakilala mo na ako. Ako nga pala si Keith Lalalantahon from grade 11 News 2. So yun, let's start. Today we'll learn about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells us what kind, which one, or how many. Dito, sa adjective daw, sinasabi dito kung anong, for example, in the sentence, ito, she has a beautiful dress. The word beautiful is an adjective because it describes the noun dress. Yung dress yung noun na. Ito. So remember, adjectives gives us more details about people, places, animals, or things. We use adjectives to make our sentences more interesting and clear. Without adjectives, sentences might sound plain. Now, let's look at some examples. Ito, no? May example dito. 10 sentences with an adjective. The tall building touched the sky. The adjective here is tall, no? And sinasabi dito kung gaano kataas yung building. Number 2, Maria has a red umbrella. Ito pa, meron pa. The happy child is playing in the park. He is a brave soldier. I saw a small puppy under the chair. The cold water refreshed us. She wore a beautiful dress at the party.